In this coordination challenge, we'll work systematically to master 10 progressive guitar finger exercises designed to test our dexterity, timing, and accuracy. If you're a beginner, check out the links below for videos that will walk you through exercises that work on the same skills. But if you can read tablature, easily find frets by number, and pick alternately up and down, you should be able to work your way through these, starting at a slower tempo and building speed incrementally. I recorded all of these with a metronome at 100 beats per minute, and this might be a little bit too fast for some of you, but you can easily slow down the exercises by changing the playback speed and the settings for this video. Slow it down to 0.5 speed for 50 beats per minute, 0.75 speed for 75 beats per minute, and if you really want to challenge yourself, 1.25 speed for 125 beats per minute, 1.5 speed for 150 beats per minute, and 2 times speed for 200 beats per minute. Start at a speed you're comfortable with and step up to the next faster speed whenever you feel you're ready. If you play through these exercises 4 or more times a week, try to bump up the tempo every week or 2. But don't get discouraged if it takes you 3 or more weeks, especially as you get up to speed and beyond. None of these exercises are very musical. In fact, they're designed not to be. By avoiding fingers used for tonal melodies and scale study, we can really focus on the physical challenges of playing the instrument, exploring uncommon patterns that will quickly develop dexterity and coordination on the instrument. After the first exercise, all of the following consist of 2 parts. The first, a melodically ascending pattern meant to challenge you, and the second, a descending pattern of the same 4 notes played in the same sequential order. This just provides a little room to breathe and relax before starting the next exercise. It seems counterintuitive, but if you want to play really fast, accurately, you'll want to work on these examples at a speed that you can comfortably get through them with few to no mistakes. This is a game of inches, but if you take the time to do it right and not cut corners, you'll develop serious finger independence, coordination, and accuracy. hope you had fun with this. Let us know down in the comments what speed you're able to play at, and keep us updated as you improve. As you get better and better with these, use them as a warm-up exercise before you practice or perform, and come up with some of your own variations. If you found this video helpful, share, like, and subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our new videos. If you'd like to support this channel, visit our Patreon by clicking the link down in the description. And now for the bonus round. I've set the metronome to 300 beats per minute. Start slow and work your way up.